Whoa.
Oh, jeez. What's that?
The brass jet.
Isn't that what you asked for?
Yes.
Wow.
Got you the brass jet.
That's Santa. He's so smart.
You must have been a good girl to get that. Oh my God, look at that thing. That's what it is?
That's huge.
Big.
Where are you going to put it?
I'm going to put it in the playroom.
Wow. Look at that.
Big. Look at this one. She has a guitar.
Wow, Jocelyn.
She rides on the jet. Remember?
I don't know. I never saw it before.
Wow.
Me either. I saw it at the store.
Look at that.
The elves made these toys. Didn't they? Can I open this one?
Yeah. Look at all that Santa Claus wrapping paper. Look at it with his little hat and
Yeah, his
everything.
hat in it.
What's that?
It's a movie.
What is it?
Barbie and the Diamond Castle.
Oh, wow. Did you ask for that too?
Yes.
Well, that Santa Claus is something. All right. Wow.
It's a
Boy.
DVD. Oh, I love this. I love this one.
All right, put that on there. All right, what else do we got?
Okay, can I open this one now?
Yeah. What's that?
It's a Disney thing. What is this?
She doesn't know because she doesn't
It's
look like the
Hannah
other.
Montana.
It doesn't look like the other ones.
See? Look
That-
at this.
Jocelyn, it's a telephone.
It's a telephone.
That's a Hannah Montana telephone. Oh my God.
Two telephones?
No,
it's
just one, honey.
It's one. Well, you'll
That's so
see.
funny. She doesn't understand what it is.
And what's this thing?
That's a cord.
That's a cord?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's kind of like the one on the wall, honey.
Kind of like back in the days when Mom and Dad were growing up. In the
All
olden
right.
days.
Wow, you got you a telephone. We'll put that in your room.
No,
Your
that's
Hannah
fine.
Montana phone. All right, go ahead. Boy, he just brought all kinds of stuff.
Wow, you must have been very good this year, Jocelyn.
What's that?
He bring you this.
A Barbie mermaid.
He
Wow.
can swim.
Did you ask him for that too?
Yeah, I think so. I have two purple mermaids. See?
Yeah.
I love this girl. Look!
Wow.
It says try me.
Yes, it does. She knew that? It said try me?
Can I open this one?
Nice. They're all, if it says it's for you.
Oh.
Well, turn around so we can see it.
Come on, Jossie. You can't see it. I just see your butt.
What's that?
It's Hannah with the red coat.
Wow.
I want this red coat.
Wow.
Let me see. Can I see
Look
it?
at that.
Turn it around. Wow.
It's the red coat with a white shirt. I wanted the red coat with a white shirt. That's what I always wanted.
Aw. Good old Santa Claus.